So if you've got yourself the DJI Osmo Nano, but you're looking for some new accessories, then a filter kit is always a safe bet. You know, it's something that's going to change your workflow, it's going to give your videos a slightly different look, and it's also going to help you combat different conditions. So depending on where you're filming, the direct sunlight, if you're filming over water, you know, depending on where you are, a filter kit's going to make the world of difference because it actually changes the way the video looks. So this is the standard day 4-pack filter kit here from Freewell. They're known for really high grade, high quality glass. And this standard day 4-pack is something I've seen for their other I've seen it for many other accessories in the past, but this is specifically for the Osmo Nano, as you can see on the side there. So I roughly know what to expect from this kit. I really do love their packaging, but I just want to show you how easy it is to mount up different filters. And I do love how they do this packaging, right? It's the little magnetic window there to reveal the little case, and then you open it up to reveal a microfiber cloth, which you will need to clean the lens, or the lenses, I guess. And then you get this kit here. You get some other paperwork in there by the looks of it, which we do not need to worry about. So they're the main two. And this is a little plastic case that houses the filters. You can see it says STD, so standard day, I guess that would stand for, standard day kit for Osmo Nano. So there's a little clip system here. Nice secure clip, as you saw. I struggled a bit to get that off. But there's a little clip system that opens up to reveal the filter kit itself. So there we go. That's what you can expect in the actual kit itself. It's always a really nice kit from Freewell, packaged beautifully. You can see the Freewell branding right in the middle, and then we've got the 4 filters here. So let me just read off what we've got. We've got an ND8, an ND16, an ND32, and an ND64. So depending on which one you go for will depend on how dark the filter is. So I believe this is just the standard one. Yeah, this is the ND8. So you can actually see a little bit through that filter there, right? But then if we look at the top of the top, this guy here, you can see it's a lot darker, a lot harder to see through that lens. So again, depends on the conditions you're in, where you're located, what you're doing. But this is how simple it is to swap out a filter. So it's literally just unscrewing the original that comes with the camera system, and you can see that reveals the actual sensor itself. And then you just grab one of these new ones, put it into place, and just screw it in. Really nice feel to it. You can see subtle little branding on the side there once it focuses in. So it just says Freewell, and then as we keep turning it will say ND8. And so that's as simple as it is to connect up one of these new lenses on the filter kit from Freewell here. I really do love just the quality of their glass. I love the quality of their packaging. You can see really nice packaging. You can put that in your camera bag, put that in your travel bag. It obviously just folds away, and then it's nice and simple to just put in the spares. So even though that's the original, I can just put that one in there and it still has a place in my case. So I don't have to worry about losing the original, but then I've got a really nice filter on here, and it's nice and simple to just swap them out as you saw just before. So that's what you can expect from Freewell's standard day 4-pack for the Osmo Nano.